Could you stop coding and let's just watch some Netflix?
Okay. One last thing.
Heads up! Uh-oh.
Matthias?
Hey! Rufst du wieder an, um mit mir Deutsch zu üben?
No, not today. Something weird's going on with my Netflix.
Okay, tell me what happened. Don't skip anything.
Okay, so you know that boom sound? It's missing on my Netflix. It's completely missing.
Ba-boom? You mean to-dum?
Really? I always thought it was boom.
First of all, it's definitely to-dum, and secondly, mine's missing too.
Yours too?
This is bad. Really bad.
Check your phones. Do you hear the to-do?
The heck?
The show starts in less than 24 hours. Without to-doom, there won't be the to-doom show.
Well, I'm not doing all this for nothing.
I can't watch my shows without the to-do.
Gentlemen, this is bigger than any of us.
There's a shape in my heart.
Guys, I'm really freaking out right now, okay?
Rolf, remember your training.
Screw that.
The to-dum is missing. The to-dum is...
Nick, I told you for the last time, okay? You can't use my Netflix password.
I'm not calling about that. I'm calling about to-do.
Okay, well, someone needs to fix this. I have a show to do. You know what? Hold, please. Hey, it's me. I need your help.
Who did you just call?
Someone that knows how to find things.
Tengo que contar una banda. Professor, I hear you have a very capable team.
I do, and they're all great admirers of your team, as am I.
Who do you think has it to do?
Someone highly skilled, a master of evasion, like us.
We should work together on this.
Agreed?
Friends, what's the word on the street?
Well, we heard that to-do was spotted in Hawkins, Indiana.
It is just hearsay, mind you.
In my line of work, everything is hearsay.
Professor, I'm so glad you're on the case.
We've looked everywhere.
Including the upside down?
If you want to check the upside down, be our guest.
I'm good, thanks.
Professor, are you ready for this?
I am.
Okay, just sent it. Look closely.
Is that who I think it is? You are truly a master at your craft.
Merci beaucoup, Professor.
You've been discovered, Mr. Diablo.
How did you find out?
Well, I got a picture from Lily.
Well done, professeur. Vous m'avez vu, mais vous m'avez pas regardé.
What does that mean?
You fixed it.
The to-doom is back!
Yes! You're back. Okay. It's showtime.